please, please, please turn down the temperature to your curling irons, flat irons. You're not frying chicken. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Actually, I don't even think you would fry chicken on 450, do you? Because you'll burn the meat or the outside before you even cook the inside. Anyway, you guys know what I mean. So turn down the temperature, because think about it. How important is that? If you lift the hair to platinum blonde, you put an iron to it, it literally turns it yellow. You burn off the rose gold color. You burn off the beautiful silver color you just create, and it's not cute. I've even ironed a T-shirt on high heat, and it turns brown. How many of you guys seen that happen, right? So you have to tell your clients, turn down the temperature. A lot of us, we lift our clients up to level 10, but when they come back for their next appointment, you're like, why are you yellow again? Have you seen that? The sun, flat iron, blow dryer, anything can turn it. All right, so I want to show you guys here. We have some extension pieces that I colored with 2 different brands. One is mydentity and one is not. I just want to show you guys that it doesn't really matter what brand you use, the color still gets burned off, right? If it's like a pinky tone or a rose tone, silver, any type of blonde tone, you will burn off the toner of the hair, okay? So go ahead and put it on for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I do this every time at shows because I feel like people, we need to be reminded. Of course, darker pigment has more pigment, lighter pigment, gets burned off more easily, right? So imagine if we did it for 20 seconds, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ooh, it stinks. All right. So the reason why I went over 20 seconds, why? Imagine 1 second 20 times on high heat. Just a swipe. Oh, the second wash. Oh, maybe like tomorrow you want to iron it again on high heat. Maybe you want to iron it again for a party tonight. So those seconds add up. It adds up, and then you go back to your stylist, or the client goes back to the stylist. That color doesn't last. And the stylist goes, that guy Tang color. I knew it. It just fades. Let me go on Facebook really quick. Guy Tang sucks. And then I go on Facebook. Gotta be a bigger person. We love everybody. but do you guys get what I'm saying? It's serious. So I had people argue and said, nobody put a flat iron on for that long, 5 seconds. No, think about a curling iron, right? So a curling iron, we would do this and we would wrap it around. So by the time the hair goes all the way around the curling iron, it's already 5 seconds. So boom, you get splotchy, like yellow, brassy parts everywhere. And even the worst part is that it becomes more yellow than it was when you pre-lifted it. It's because, you know why it's yellow? It's because the dye that you toned it with or glossed it with, you burnt it. You burnt it and it turned brown, and you faded the color through heat, right? Nothing survives through heat. Trust me. There's lava, there's fire. You melt, so including the hair, okay? And it's not just from color fading, it's also the cortex melting. So once the hair becomes crappy, it won't hold color anymore. So I usually have it on 320 degrees or lower if possible, but usually around 300, okay?